Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is a very special day. Today is March 30th, and today my hood, my carbon fiber see-through hood, KevTec, shout out to KevTec, is going to be here today. It'll be here within the next couple hours. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video and talking to the shipment guy and having him stick around with me just to make sure that the hood isn't damaged or anything like that. That way I could just send it back if it's trash. But other than that, super stoked, and I hope you guys are too. But yeah, as soon as he gets around, I'm gonna start filming again. But alright, be patient. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's about 3:30. Still haven't received my hood. Still waiting. I checked the tracking package. They changed it from showing up from, well, they had it at military time, but it was supposed to show up today 1:30 to 3:30. It's currently past 3:30, and I'm still waiting. I checked on the app and they decided that they're gonna change it to the end of the day, so hopefully it shows up. Hopefully they don't show up super late at night, so I have to worry about it getting wet. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it soon. I really can't wait. I'm so excited. This car's been fucking waiting for a hood for a long time. And then what's awesome is that I'll be able to utilize my garage when I get this hood. Put the car cover on it. I mean, I could do it right now, but still, if I put a car cover on it, water's just gonna pool in certain areas, and I don't want that to happen. So I need the hood so I can leave it outside every now and then, and maybe even set up a my projector so I can go ahead and play Mario Kart and shit with the kids on the big screen. They like that stuff a lot. It's raining right now, but usually during the summer we pull out the projector and watch movies in the backyard at night. It's pretty dope. But yeah, I'll let you guys know what's up when it's coming. Alright, people, it's my carbon fiber hood. It's here. It was just delivered like not even 10 seconds ago. So, I did not do a video of installing a hood. Why? Because it's super easy and anybody could do it. But in terms of the car, this is what we're looking like now. This thing has got some blemishes. It's got a raised lip, like right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's lifted up probably about like a centimeter. It's not like too terrible. The hood, it came out great. Don't get me wrong, but for the amount of money that I spent on it, being 1,300 bucks, I was kind of hoping that the finish would be a little bit nicer. These edges need to be cleaned up a bit. There is some gappage, like right here, along this edge. There's some straight cuts. We got little blemishes like that. Some of the fasteners were loose. And, you know, for it being a KevMan's product, KevTec, I was hoping that it'd look a little bit nicer. But for the most part, looks pretty damn good. And if you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, please. Let me know what you think. Yeah. Peace, guys.